here is the remote of tennis ball machine. Long press this button, power on the machine, power on the remote. And you can see here is start and stop. And here we can slightly adjust to turn left and right of the shooting angle. Turn left from 10 to 70, left and right. So you can adjust the ball drop point slightly. It's very convenient. And here is the button to turn the height of the shot angle, turn low and turn high. You can make adjustment according to your requirement from 10 to 40. You can adjust it. And also, the ball speed can be adjusted from 20 to 140. The minimum of speed is 20 km per hour and the maximum is 140 km per hour. And also, the frequency can be adjusted from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, from 1 to 9. And here we can see more functions. It's vertical circling mode. What do you mean vertical circling mode? You can imagine it like a court, and here is the ball machine. So the ball will be shot in these 4 points, and in the same time, you can turn left or turn right, but you cannot adjust the shot height of the machine because it has fixed. Will be shot in these positions, and the ball speed can be adjusted. Also, the frequency can be adjusted, and you can just press again, and we'll shot to vertical. And here is horizontal circling mode. So the ball will be shot in these 7 points of the court. And in the same time, you cannot make it turn left or turn right, but you can adjust the height, the shot height, and also the ball speed and frequency. And press the button again, so the machine will shot the ball in this left and the right. So you need to run to here to shot, then run to here to shot, and at the same time, the height of the machine, the height of the shot can be adjusted. There's middle 2 line and narrow 2 line and 3 line. The ball will shot in these 3 points and make circling shot. It's random, so the ball will be shot in any point of this point. You cannot control it because it's irregular, so you don't know which point the ball will be shot. That's challenge. And this cross line. They have 6 cans of cross line, so the ball will be shot in the left of front court and the middle of back court. And another, here we can see the ball will be shot in the left of front court and the right of back court. You should run so far distance, and it is a hard mode. There are 6 cans of cross line training mode. And here is the program. Press this button for 3 seconds into program. Now you can see it. Confirm. Press this confirm. Confirm. You can see it at any point you want to make training. Here, back court, front, or middle, or can, and then start. That's how we make training, make program. And if you want to reset, okay, press this button to reset. Then you can now restart. Now we can see here is top spin. And you can play spin ball as you want. And also, that's all the functions